Hey guys, welcome to Hindi channel. Today in this video we have this OPPO A12 and this phone is locked by FRP, and I'm going to show you how you can easily bypass its FRP as I've shown you in the other video, which is about how to reset this phone. So you have to download the following tools. You can download them from the link in description and just run this MCT bypass tool and then go to SP flash tool. Just run it, and there you have to select the scatter file and the auth file here, and on the top you have to select the DA file, which is already selected in SP flash tool. So now we have to find the FRP bypass address. Just open the scatter file and go find and then type FRP. Okay, so there it is. You have to copy this address and just paste it here. Let me just copy again. And copy this one and paste it at the bottom. So it's done. Now we have to run the MCT tool and press bypass, and after that you have to connect your phone with the PC by holding both of the volume keys. Make sure that the phone is turned off, and that's it. Now click start, and the FRP is now gone. Now you just have to force restart your phone, and when it's started the FRP will be successfully removed. Let me just show you. You have to disconnect your phone with the PC and hold power and both of the volume keys. And that's it. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.